Hey guys, what's up? I'm Mateus. Welcome to Quarantine Cooking. So this is a cooking show because I'm really bored and I have nothing else to do. So we're gonna be making mac and cheese, but not any normal mac and cheese, pressure cooking mac and cheese. It's like mac and cheese, but it's made in the, you get it. We have all the ingredients, which includes macaroni, plank, I always say plank, I don't know why. Cheese, some more cheese, half and half, salt, garlic powder, eggs, olive oil, and butter. So first thing we're gonna do is add a half cup of panko. Since we're making double portion, we're gonna put 1 cup of panko. Right there. A 1/4 tablespoon of garlic powder, which is, that seems enough. Olive oil. Alright. Some salt. I don't have any butter that is melted at the moment, but I can produce some quite easily. Those are not good noises. So the house might be blowing up in a bit. If that happens, I am going to pass away. So the butter be just about done here. We have some melted butter. Then you whisk until it's moistened. I don't even know how to feel about that word if I'm going to be 100% honest with you. I may have added a little touch too much of olive oil, but that's fine. It's going to get baked off anyway. Speaking of baked, we're going to grab a prepared baking sheet here. And then we're going to put it in the oven here. Alexa, timer for 3 minutes. Alright, so pretty much after 3 minutes, we're going to kind of flip it. And we'll be vibing after that. Alright, next we're going to make the egg mix. So we're going to have a cup of half and half. Yep. And then 2 eggs. And then you're gonna whisk it. Honestly, if I'm gonna be honest, whisking is kind of relaxing. So like you can kind of like kill all the eggs and think about the eventual end of the human race. That is a good mix. This is a really good mix so far. Next up, cheese. So I chose some Mexican cheese and Colby Jack, which we have in our fridge right here. Right here. So basically you're gonna cut the cheese. You're gonna cut here. And you're gonna put it back in a row and then cut it a bit more. Basically try to make it smaller. I would recommend a cheese grater, but last time I did that, I hurt myself. Jack. Shit. Fuck. You know, sometimes being a filmmaker is cool and all, until your camera runs out of storage. Did this just crash my camera? I have like these weird SD cards that like completely crash cameras. I don't know. I genuinely don't know. See, I'm a stupid bitch, baby. So I don't know what I'm doing. Alright, so while we wait for that to work, I'm just gonna cut up some of the Colby Jack. This is why I shouldn't be in the industry, because I do things like forget to check SD cards and make bad content. This used to be a dream of mine, but I genuinely don't know what I'm gonna do with my future now. Hey, we got cheese. Should only take about 5 minutes. So we have some cheese. Oh god, I hate. Can I just like turn off these lights? Oh fuck. Alright, so we have our cheese here. It's pretty cool, I think. I don't know. I am in pain. Guys, just so you know, please be careful with these things, because if you're not, they have the potential to blow your face up and kill you. What we're gonna want to do is add. Stop! I think my camera's having a crisis. Oh, it was just off the whole. Okay, so we're back. So We're gonna add the macaroni here. And then water. Yeah, cold water. I have some here, luckily. I probably should have waited until plugging it in. Alright. I'm gonna add some salt. And then I put it, so then we have the pressure cooker now. And I'm gonna put it on rice for 6 minutes. Alright, so at the end, your panko topping should look something like this. It should be like a golden brown type thing. Yeah, it's already pretty good. It smells pretty good. So, I just found out my audio recorder wasn't recording the whole time. I don't know how long it's been without the proper audio. We smoke on the stream when I'm high off my American dream. That's the life of an American teen. I hate myself. I want to die. They were with me.
Wait.
What?
Can you get me the mic started?
No. You get up and do it yourself. You've already had 2 mics.
I've had 1 mic and a land shark.
Yeah, still. No, you get it yourself.
I'm so cold.
There's just a pressure cooker inside that could explode, okay? I hate you.
No, I want the regular.
Oh my god, Nick, stop!
Thank you.
I hate you.
You didn't have to get it.
Anyway, is this even, there's no... Oh shit. I did a thing wrong. Shit, Jesus fucking Christ. Like, what did I do? Did I break? Why did I think it wasn't hot? I mean, if I did get normal Velveeta, I could have been done and already finished eating by now, but I like doing things complicated. Love is a trip, but fucking is a sport. Are there Asian girls here? Minority Report. I'll be very surprised if the macaroni hasn't fallen apart. There it is. So, next thing we do is we grab a strainer and strain it and drain. So we're gonna add the egg mixture here. I don't think I made enough. And then we're going to kind of mix it up a bit. I definitely did not make enough. Well, here's what I'll do. I'll just add a little bit more, half and half. And then we should be fine. Okay, now we're gonna add garlic powder, tablespoon. Alright, so now we're gonna add some cheese. No, salt, actually, some salt. We did need salt. Cool. Cool. Gonna add some cheese. We actually might need a bit more cheese than this, but basically just mix it until the cheese is like, you know, all warm and mixed up. Alright, so final step, serve. Fuck. Alright, so we have a container here. So now we're gonna serve it. So like it sounds just like my big, fat, wet, voluptuous pussy. Just gonna a little bit of the topping and then boom! You have some mac and cheese. Alright, Nick, give us your honest review.
It's so good.
But
if I were to add anything, I would bake this mac and cheese, add a little bit more like shredded cheese on top, then bake it with the breadcrumbs.
I see.
And then maybe add a little bit more seasoning. Maybe add some Parmesan on top to top it off, and you'll be good.
Wow, it's simply amazing. The pasta is cooked to perfection. The harmony of the cheese is just perfect. And the breadcrumb gives the little cha, the final touch. It's fantastic.
How'd you rate it?
I rate it 1,000 out of 10, so it's much better than 10.
So that's been the first episode of Quarantine Cooking. Stay tuned for part 2. It's not going to be part 2.